got me blowing up, nah, say they want some. I got 220 blocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 220 eyes, sleeping on the bed. I got 2 thick thighs, wanna link the gang.
Ayo, what's up, King Gang? It's your bro King Joe here, back at it with another video. Yes, I could finally say with another video. It's my second video this time. Super excited. And for today's video, y'all, I am doing the hot wing challenge. And I'm not the best when it comes to hot foods. I'm just not the greatest when it comes to stuff like that. I'll have to poop. Shit will be running down my leg. It's not the best. So went to Wingstop, got ourselves 10 atomic chicken wings. And for today's challenge, you know, Joseph, why you doing it? Why you doing it? Honestly, I really don't know. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna eat 10 hot wings, and I have to try to eat these hot wings in about 10 minutes, y'all. As soon as the timer beeps, that's it. I need to. Damn, I'm gonna put it right here, just so y'all can see, all right? And so, timer's gonna start. Let's check out these bad boys really quick. Feast mode. Feast mode. But we still gonna eat them like beast mode. Come on now. Okay, we got some napkins, some forks, and what we've all been waiting for. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh. Yo, y'all. They got peppers on these and everything. Y'all take a look at that.
It's hot.
Oh my gosh. Do y'all see? Lord God, please. Milk's right there, and I cannot touch the milk unless I get at least through 3 chicken wings first. I'm gonna try to eat these as fast as possible. I ain't gonna be cheating. It's gonna be fair and square. God damn. There we go. Let's get into it. You guys can hear it beep too. Come on, man. Oh, it goes into the first one. Ain't even that bad.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Oh shit! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Shit! I got 8 minutes. Whoo! I got 8 minutes left. I get the hiccups. I get the hiccups when I eat something too hot. Damn, I'm fucking sweating. I'm not trying to be nasty. Eating all like I've never eaten before. These are hot.
It's hot.
Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh, these taste like booty.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
That's one. We're gonna put this motherfucker down. Oh shit, I gotta put on a napkin. 9 more. And we got 7 minutes left. Huh. Oh, it's in my nose. Oh. Hold on. Yo, I'm not even over exaggerating. Oh, there's 2. Why am I crying, yo? Why am I? Oh shit! I need another fucking napkin. Woo! Why am I crying? Why am I crying?
Bruh, shut your bitch ass up.
Oh, I gotta clean my mouth. Oh shit. Okay, come on. We ain't king gang for nothing. I can feel this shit in my ass. What the fuck? Those three. I thought when they said this shit was hot, I thought they were playing, man. Something for the camera or something. I ain't touching that milk. How is this legal? I've been practicing pregnancy, breathing and shit. Oh, that's 4. Oh, that was nasty. Come on, I ain't no bitch. All that red shit on my mouth got me looking like a hooker, man. Oh, I can feel it in my lips. I can feel it in my soul. What? Who the fuck made these? Satan? That's fine. Fuck y'all talking about there's still meat on the bone. You eat that meat off that bone. I got 5 more. Oh. I'm gonna drink. I'm wasting time. I'm gonna drink some. No, I'm not.
He needs some milk.
I got 59 seconds. I need some milk.
Somebody, he needs some milk.
It's 5 seconds left. I turn this bitch off. Five chicken wings. 5. Let me turn this shit around. 5 now. Oh, what? 1, 2, 3. No way. That's 6 of them. 6 of them. 4 left. Let me clean my fucking mouth. God damn. I need a break. What are you doing? Hot. Hot slides. Oh, man. Oh, I can't feel my face. Do not do this unless you got some sort of EMS or some sort of fucking ambulance on the way to save your ass. Hey, because you're gonna die. Alright, man. Look at me. Bring it right here. I got through 6 chicken wings out of 10. That was a lot. Hey, Keaton Gang, y'all know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I'm gonna be here for a little bit, alright? I'm gonna be here for a little bit. Turn, I'm out.
Yeah. I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan on. I know I'm about to blow, oh, oh, I ain't dumb. They try to take my floor.